There's an additional powerful piece of evidence which proves the identity of Spanish and Portuguese Jews, and it involves DNA. Today we can use DNA to compare one person to another to see if they are related. However, this is not the DNA analysis we can use to find the true identity of the Jews today. This type of DNA test assumes that the people in Jerusalem today are the real Jews. However, we cannot make that assumption. And that's because the scripture warns us that someone will steal Judah's land and steal their identity. Revelations chapter 2, verse 9 reads, I know thy works and tribulation and poverty, but thou art rich. And I know the blasphemy of them which say they are Jews, and are not, but are the synagogue of Satan. With that in mind, we cannot assume a person is a Jew just because they say they are. We need to prove it. And to do that, we need to use the Bible with DNA to find the truth. For example, the Bible tells us the 12 tribes of Israel shared a single forefather called Jacob or Jacob, renamed Yisrael. The Bible also tells us that the children of Yisrael had 4 emas or 4 mothers: Zilpah, Leah, Rachel, and Bilhah. In other words, the 12 tribes of Israel was made up of one father and 4 mothers. With that in mind, we can use DNA to see if the Negro has one forefather and 4 mothers. Now, DNA does indeed reveal that the Negro does share a single DNA forefather called E1B1A by geneticists. DNA also reveals that the so-called Negro shares 4 DNA mothers, referred to as L3, L2, L1, and L0 as well. Here we see the Negro's DNA matches the Bible perfectly.